LaptopKey.com, your source for replacement keyboard keys. Notice: many times, laptop manufacturers produce keyboards that look the same on the outside, but have different retainer clips underneath the keys. To help you find the correct repair video for your keyboard, we've created a searchable database. Simply go to LaptopKey.com, enter your laptop brand and model number. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on View Videos. A list of all compatible videos will appear. Select the retainer clip model that matches your keyboard. That's all. You're now ready to repair your laptop keyboard.
For this keyboard, we will be showing the removal and reattachment of the G key for standard size keys, F9 for top row small keys, and Shift for the wide set keys. To begin removal of your standard size keys, simply insert a tool beneath the upper right corner, apply gentle upward pressure, and the keycap will come right off. To remove the clip, support the bottom of the clip with your finger, insert a tool beneath the top corners, apply some gentle upward pressure, and the clip comes right out. To reassemble your clips, you will begin with the top clip having 2 small holes at the top and 2 larger thin holes on the bottom. For the bottom clip, you want the slightly rounded edge at the top with a notch facing outward and a small notch towards the inside at the bottom. Simply connect the 2 clips together. A small snap. You'll then hook from the bottom, place down, place the keycap on top, firm press, and we're reattached. To begin removal of the wider set keys, insert your tool into the right side, apply gentle pressure downward and some upward, and then run your tool along the outer edge of the keycap. Then insert your tool under the upright corner, apply gentle upward pressure, repeat from the other side, bottom, and the keycap is detached. To remove the supports, we'll begin with the metal arms at the top and bottom. Simply push one side of the arm, repeat with the other arm, push to the side, push to the other side, and that's done. Then to remove the clips, support the bottom of the clip with your finger, insert a tool, the upper corner, gentle upward pressure, and the clip is removed. To begin reassembling your clips, we'll begin with the top clip having 2 square holes at the top and 2 thinner small holes at the bottom. And there's a small notch towards the bottom of the top. For the bottom clip, there will be 2 holes towards the top with a small notch facing upward. Simply line the 2 up, click them together, then using hooks here and here, we will lay the key down flat from the bottom first, push up top. We will then take our metal arms and insert them into holes here, 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 and here, corresponding to each arm. So we'll insert the top arm into the top set of holes, lay down flat, repeat with the bottom arm, lay that down flat, then take the keycap, place on top of everything, and give it a nice push around the edge of the key, and it's reattached. For removal of the top row keys, insert your tool under the top right corner, gentle upward pressure, and the cap is removed. To remove the clip, support the bottom with your finger, insert a tool under the upper corners, apply gentle upward pressure until the clip is removed. To begin reassembling your clips, we'll start with the top clip that has two supporting arms off to the side with just a little more sticking out towards the bottom. On the bottom clip, there will be two holes at the top and a small notch facing upward. You will then take the two halves, line them up together, gentle press. You will then hook from the top, lay down flat, replace your keycap, a firm press, and the key is functional.
We'll now show you how to remove a laptop key. Simply pull on the edge of the key in a gentle but firm motion. Lift up and remove the key. It's that simple. If your key is loose and not sticking properly to your keyboard, your retainer clips are likely broken. This issue can be fixed by replacing your retainer clips. Replacement laptop keys and retainer clips can be purchased at laptopkey.com. Laptopkey.com, your source for replacement keyboard keys.